Let's learn questions and answers. Evaluate the long-term impact of an entrepreneur like Sunita, who developed a remote for elderly medication management, on the healthcare industry and society as a whole. Healthcare industry. First, innovation in medication management. Sunitha's remote for elderly medication management introduces innovative technology to streamline medication adherence, reducing human error and improving patient outcomes. Second, cost efficiency reduces healthcare costs by minimizing hospital readmissions and emergency room visits due to missed or incorrect medication. Third, market growth encourages the growth of the medical device market, attracting investments and fostering further technological advancements. Society. First, improved quality of life enhances the quality of life for the elderly by ensuring timely and accurate medication intake, promoting independence and well-being. Second, support for caregivers alleviates the burden on caregivers, providing them with reliable tools to monitor and manage the medication schedules of their loved ones. Third, public health benefits contributes to better public health outcomes by improving chronic disease management and reducing complications associated with non-adherence to medication. Compare and contrast the general attitude of open-mindedness with the entrepreneurial attitude of risk-taking. How do these attitudes influence business decisions differently? Open-mindedness. First, flexibility. Open-minded individuals are willing to consider new ideas and perspectives, which can lead to creative solutions and innovations. Second, adaptability. They can adapt to changing circumstances and incorporate feedback, making them agile in dynamic markets. Third, collaborative decisions encourage collaborative decision-making, leveraging diverse viewpoints to enhance problem-solving. Risk taking. First, bold moves. Entrepreneurs who take risks are willing to invest in unproven ventures, which can lead to significant breakthroughs and competitive advantages. Second, innovation driver. Risk-taking is essential for innovation, pushing boundaries and exploring new markets or technologies. Influence on business decisions. First, open-mindedness leads to incremental improvements and diversification strategies, ensuring steady growth and resilience. Second, risk-taking drives transformative changes and aggressive expansion, but requires careful management to avoid detrimental losses. Assess the importance of moderate risk-taking in entrepreneurship. How does it balance innovation and business sustainability? Balancing innovation and business sustainability. First, calculated risks. Moderate risk-taking involves evaluating potential downsides and making informed decisions that balance potential gains with acceptable levels of risk. Second, sustainable growth ensures that the business can innovate and stay competitive without jeopardizing its financial stability and long-term viability. Third, learning and adaptation. Moderate risks provide valuable learning experiences, allowing entrepreneurs to refine their strategies and improve resilience against future challenges. Fourth, attracting investment demonstrates to investors a balanced approach, showcasing the entrepreneur's ability to pursue growth opportunities while maintaining prudent risk management, which is crucial for securing funding and support.